Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going monochromatic. I've got this beautiful black and white type of theme with some metallics here, and I'm going to be using this to do 2 swipes and leaving some negative space of block colour. So let's get started. Okay, I am going to do some puddles. I want a lot of metallics, so let's just start pouring. Let's go down here. Maybe I'll do the silver. Pewter. And the pearl white. We have some Paynes grey. I'll go out here. Maybe put a bit here. And my straight white. Let's put it in between there. On the outside. Come back to some colour. Let's put a little bit through here. Bit of white up here, and Paynes grey over here. What colour am I going to put through here? Shall I connect up the silver to fill that up? And put some of the non-metallics around the outside. Something like that. That looks nice. Okay. I'll just move some of these out of the way. Okay, I've got my black swipe mix here. This is Oxide black, and I thought that I haven't done a black swipe for a while. I thought it would look nice on the black and white. So just spread that on my palette knife. Tip it off so I haven't got too much. And I want my first swipe to go through here. So, or do I want it to go? Maybe I should have it go the other way. Ooh. Should I? Yeah, right. Let's do that. Here we go. there was one thing I was going to do that I haven't done, and I still can do it, so I'm going to, which was mix these up a little bit. Like that. Do I want to make this a little bit more squiggly? Cool. All right. This side, I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to start and go that way. All right, here we go. Just going to pick up some of this swipe mix. Do that. It's not a lot of the pearl white, so I'm just trying to decide if I want to bring some of that through a little section. The only way I can think to do it is down here. Like that. Okay, so that was a little small one. I'm going to stop because I'll get carried away otherwise, and I want to keep some of this non-swiped areas. All right, I'm going to put some gloves on. I love that I've got the pewter. This is probably my favourite area here. Where is... So I haven't got enough paint on here. I might pour a little bit of extra white on just for the tilting process, because this will be quite easy to scrape up. So I'll basically have grey in the mix. Just get my corners. All right, let's have a feel of this. I think the weight's more on this side. All right, let's start tilting. I'm just going to go slow. See a little hair there. Just going really slow, so I'm going to speed this up a little. Got too much paint on here. I'm going to come back down to this corner here. And take the paint off there. And just get my composition right. We'll have to come down. I can also see something. See a little hair there. That's better. It's much better. I am going to have to try and clean all this up. Quite like the big cells through here. Gives a different effect. And this bit coming up through here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Black and white. But I'm going to have a go at scraping up this paint and then I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And I love the fact that there's a little bit of cream in there. I think that just makes it really pretty. Or the pearl white, I should say. Well, let's have a look at these cells. I love the flow. I'm so glad that, you know, I didn't get too crazy with the swipes. This little third swipe that I added, I think really sets it off as well. There's some white coming through here. Just the blend of the colours. And there's softness through the middle there without, you know, any swiping. Some quite big lacing through there. It's quite a different effect. Draws you in. Yeah, so fingers crossed this does not crack. I have started adding a little bit of GAC 800 to my swipe mix. And I'm hoping that's going to help me with my cracking issue. So, I'm just having a look here. The way these are coming out. It's really quite interesting. Anyway, I like the overall composition. And yeah, I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And I've orientated it this way because I think this is the prettiest way. I think originally I might have had it that way for you guys, but yeah, I like it this way. And the shine through the extreme sheen is very pretty, and there's no cracks, so we've got a win there. And there is very few bumps, and the edges are perfect. I am delighted with this one, guys. I am so happy. To the sides, very nice. So there's a tiny bump there, but you know, you're always going to get, I think, a few flecks in your pouring paint. A bit hard to avoid. These cells up here are really interesting. We've got the nice big ones through there, Extreme Sheen Shine through here. I like the flow through the middle. These cells are really pretty. The pearl white is nice and shiny, so I'm so glad I added a bit extra there. That was the Arteza paint. Yeah, really happy with it. Just get one from the top. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you appreciate the video, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.